Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing. Today I am going to open my new Apple Watch. This is a Series 7 and it's the smaller size, the 41mm, and I decided to go with the black color, which is called Midnight, I think, from memory. So yeah, this is the first time I've had an Apple Watch. I've resisted them for a long time, and I finally decided to pull the pin and get myself one. And yeah, so this is just the unboxing. I'll make some more videos of the things I like and dislike about it, etc., as time goes on. Maybe different bands that I get. I initially went into the store to get the Nike version of this watch, so the black with the sort of the black head with the black band, but it's got like holes throughout it. So that's the one I really wanted, but it wasn't available, so I decided to go with just the black head and the black band, which is not completely black, but close enough. And the reason for my choice of color, I guess, just I wanted to go with everything, so I wanted to go, either some like a neutral color, I guess, and black just seems to be an easy to wear color, as well as one that doesn't get too dirty. So I, as far as choosing like the white versus the black, I always usually go for black, just because of usability and the way it shows dust, dirt, marks, etc. So here we are. So I'm opening the watch, and you can see the box is all, up to Apple standards, which I love the way they package everything. The graphic design and boxing style is always very cool. So there you have it. It's tiny little watch. Comes in a little sleeve, so just to protect the glass, and you just sort of slide it out to get it out of the packaging. So there it is, out of the packaging. I'm keen to try it on, so just sizing it up on my hand to see how it looks and how it would look on the wrist once I get the bands out. This bit here is just some of the pamphlets that come with it and brief instructions how to get your watch going. While we just watch that, I will talk about some of the tech specs. So the dimensions of that watch face were 41mm high by 35mm wide and 10.7 millimeters deep. And this version of the watch is a GPS watch, so you can use it without Wi-Fi. And you can see me unboxing the charger there. That is called the magnetic fast charger. It's a USB-C charger, and all you need to do is put the watch onto it, and it sort of sticks magnetically, if you like. It snaps on and it charges pretty quickly. I think something like I think it's about an hour to charge. I think you get it about 80% in 45 minutes from my memory. So we'll unbox the watch band now. This is the sports band. It's called the sports band, and the watch, by the way, was called the Midnight aluminium case with sports band. And these sports bands come in 8 different colors this year. There's the English lavender, which is like a violet-y color, marigold, which is orange, dark cherry, which is sort of a purpley color, clover, which is like a dark green, very nice, abyss blue, also like a dark blue, and then starlight, which is the whitish version, and a red. And the bands are made out of a material called high performance fluoroelastomer, and they've got like a pin and tuck closure system, which you'll see in a minute. And the watch face was made from, or is made from, aluminium, which is recycled, and it's an aerospace grade alloy, in case you're interested in all the technical stuff. So here's the bands. They come in two sections and also 2 sizes. So one section is just the one size, and then the ones with the holes, they come in a shorter one and a longer one. As you can see, there's the other one in the box still. So I am the shorter size. I've got a small wrist, but the bigger size would be for a bigger wrist. So in this next part, you'll see me putting on the band. Now, first of all, I got it on the wrong way, so I'll just let the video roll while I read you some specs about the watch so you can get some information as you laugh in the background, watching me get this band backwards. I don't know how I did it, but I guess I was just a bit, unprepared. In saying that, it is quite intuitive how to put it on. I don't know why I got it the wrong way around. So let's read some specs while you watch. So the watch also comes in a 45mm case, so that's the bigger size. Same specs as far as I know. The watch has 1000 nits display, which is quite bright. It comes in two models, the GPS and the GPS plus cellular. So I made a mistake there last time I was saying that I got the GPS model, but I actually meant that I got the cellular or mobile model. So that I can use it away from my phone. It doesn't rely on the phone to be near it for the Wi-Fi, etc. The watch comes with a blood oxygen sensor and an ECG app, so you can measure your heart rate rhythm. It's got fall detection. It's swim-proof, water-resistant to 50 meters. And yeah, it's got a compass, 32 gigabytes of memory or capacity storage. Not memory, capacity. And it's, fast charging. There's some of the specs. And here you can see, we'll jump back to the video, you can see me putting it on. It's just, all you do is just push that little notch in and then you tuck the sort of tail of the strap under, and there you have it. That sort of completes the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I will do more videos if you would like. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see, and otherwise I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.